Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today is the final episode of my unbagging from all the things that I got from AliExpress. So we have two cross-stitch kits, so we'll just start here on the top and go with what's right here. Let me get it out of its crinkly bag. All right, I am back. Let me get this going in the right direction. So it looks like Persimmons, and we have two birds and little Chinese characters here. It's usually a signature, but we'll see. This is an 11 count, 50 by 50, and it is full coverage. Well, no, it's not full coverage. I'm sorry. So you just do the center part and the rest of it's left white. So, yeah, it's 173 by 173. 11 count. I think I said that. And, you know, those other kits, they just came with needles. So this one tried to make up for it. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 tool kits in here. Each of them has 3 needles, a needle threader, a bobbin, and a thimble. Yeah. So, okay, I think we got that covered, right? Holy cow. All right, let's see. So this pattern is all on one page. For a minute here, I thought it was silk, but it's not. So we have a total of 22 colors. It has full stitch and it has some back stitching in it. So we'll find out what that's about. We have 310 black, no 823, no 939, no 3371, and we're using 3865 for the white color. The background is done in 3823 and back stitch is in 310 and 606. But the pattern is nice and big. It's just all on one thing. It's not broke down or anything, you know, into certain sections. So very easy to see pattern here. I have no idea who the company is that makes it, but it's very easy to read. So I like that part. Let's take a look at the colors. Here's your background color that I was talking about. So that's a nice, I don't know, pale yellowish color. Very nice. Let me shake this out. So not a whole lot of thread, even though it is an 11 count, because it's not that big. There's your 310 black, but we have lots of oranges and reds, not reds, rusts and greens and more of that cream color. Very nice. And here's your 3865. There's one strand of it, so you must not use that too much. So this looks like a very simplified and easy kit to do. Now, I wanted to look at something before I forget. I don't know. Oh, the back stitching is just the Chinese character I told you about that's right in here. So, perfect. But you can add as much back stitching as you like. But let's take a look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around, if I can just get it turned. Nice, big, huge key. But very simple, very easy to do. But I think it'll be beautiful. I really do. Let's measure. It does have a salvage edge over here. So it is 50 centimeters on the mark, or about 19 3/4 inches by 47.5 centimeters this way, or 18 3/4 inches. The actual is 39 centimeters, or almost 15.5 inches by, oh, we'll call it 39.5 centimeters, or 15.5 inches. 15 1/4 inches, I'm sorry. So very nice, very simple, very easy, nice, lightweight canvas. That's awesome. And very, whoops, I'm trying to roll my thing up. Very well printed on the pattern, or on the fabric. So yeah, I think this'll be nice. It'll just be something different to stitch on. Oops, let me put that away. My bad. Because we don't want to get confused. I have a pile going here. Yeah. All right, let's look at the next one. Now, the next one comes in one of those plastic hanger bags. You know, like you'd find at a store. I did get it from a store, but you know what I mean. If you go to a store, a brick and mortar store. Is that not gorgeous? More Persimmons. It is 63 by 63, 230 by 230, and it does have the tan fabric, so you don't have to stitch all that. You just stitch the pattern, but I thought it was gorgeous. I like all the blues, the oranges. It's just beautiful. Let's take a look. Whoops. At the thing, and it looks like it's a Mona Lisa, because I think they're classical cross stitch. I could be wrong. Wow, got a lot of colors in this. So it's all, yep, it's all one page. Yeah. 32 colors. We have 310 black. No 823, no 939. And we have 3865 for the white. So, very nice. So I'm glad there's lots of colors. That means there'll be lots of shading, but very nicely printed paper pattern. And it's only cross stitch. The Chinese characters on the one side are all cross stitched. They are not back stitched, but nice big pattern. Very easy to see all the symbols. And the paper pattern will not match the canvas. I'm pretty sure that's kind of the way they roll. So, very nice. Let's open this up and see what we got going here. No toolkit, but everything is on one thread card. Look at all the bright oranges and reds. Just beautiful. And the blues. And this is more of a purplish blue. But you got 4 shades of blue. Oranges and the yellows and the reds take the predominant. There's your 3865 here on the end. You got browns. So very nice looking. Very, very, very nice looking. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. And this is not a big kit. I have no idea how much this cost, but I know it wasn't too much. I will put the links in the description box below. There are 2 needles right here. We're going to put them right on my, maybe, oh, baby. Wow. Well, you know, it might help if you had the pointy end down. It'd go into the pincushion easier. I do like this brown. It's very nice. It's pretty sturdy. Nice big key here. Let me see if I can turn this around. Everything's right there. Very plain, very simple. Very nice. Seriously, I just love it. Isn't that gorgeous? The birds are going to be lovely, but very well printed. It almost reminds me of a spring kit, but I do like this. I love that tan fabric, and all you do is the stitching of the pattern and not worry about the background. That is so awesome. And I think those colors will all kind of pop on this tannish background. Very nice. And it does seem longer than it is wider. It says it's 230 by 230. Maybe the canvas itself is longer. Let's take a look. Okay, so it is a little over 61 centimeters, or a little over 24 inches by, I'm trying to get it to lay flat. 61 and a half, so it's a little bit longer this way, or 24 and a quarter inch. This way, actual is 52 and a half centimeters, or 20 and 3/4 inches. Oh, avalanche. Oh my God. Yeah, I'll have to go pick that up a little bit. 53 centimeters, or almost 21 inches. So very nice, very easy to stitch. And like I said, you can add as much back stitching to it as you want. So that is just absolutely awesome. Very, very nice. I can't believe, and it's crystal clear as far as, you know, the symbols and that kind of thing. So yeah, very nice. Let me see if I can get it where it needs to be here. All right, just trying to get it folded up. It's kind of folded odd, but it is what it is. And that is all that I ordered from AliExpress. So this afternoon we will be having a Stitch With Me at 1. That's 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time in the U.S. So join me then and I will start one of these kits. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.